Baby yum yum. Usually for flat Persians, cats like this, because they have a short nasal passage, so they tend to have a bit of discharge from their eyes and their nose. So this is what we have to do every day. See, dirty, to clean their dried up discharge using warm water with gauze. Just gently rub. Ayu, 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 ayu. Is it painful? Does it hurt? Not painful lah. It's just water, right? Oh, don't like, huh? Hey, where you going? Stay in the box. Putting them in the box so it's easier to manage. And you don't push my head.